This video will show you how to reset the oil life monitor on a Mitsubishi Lancer. This will be done from inside of your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, we're going to be focusing along the gauge cluster. Let's make sure that we have our ignition in the first position. So we're going to have to go ahead and turn this forward 2 clicks. Now we're in the accessory position. You can see all the lights light up. We're turning back. We're paying attention in the center area here. Now we can see our small wrench. Let's press in on our info button along the left side of our gauge cluster. We're holding that in. Now I can see that wrench flashing. I'm going to release, press it again, and then press it one more time. And now it's reset. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.